Ever wonder how clean your floors really are? You've tried the old school broom, the not so handy mop, maybe even a robot vacuum that promises a lot but delivers too little. Introducing Narwal, the world's first self-cleaning robot vacuum and mop with the most advanced navigation. First off, Narwal takes care of vacuuming up pretty much anything off your floors. But the magic actually starts with the mopping. Other robot cleaners that claim to mop only sweep the floor. Narwal has reinvented the mop. It has rounded triangular mops that press down on the floor and rotate to really clean away those stubborn stains. Narwal mops clean 3 times as efficiently versus other robot cleaners. Other robot cleaners clean the floor, and then you have to clean them. Defeats the purpose, if you ask me. Narwal is totally self-clean. It automatically returns to the base station to clean, wash, and dry itself multiple times during mopping. And when the mopping is done, Narwal keeps the mop dry and clean with its ventilation system. Most robot cleaners require remapping every time you use them, but Narwal's home layout map can be used repeatedly once created. The map is created with the help of LiDAR technology. You know, what they use in driverless cars. Narwal also avoids secondary contamination by making sure it doesn't pass over the spaces it's already mopped. You can even customize its cleaning strategy for different rooms and floors, like choosing which rooms to clean, in which order, how many times to clean, the type of floor, and it creates cleaning reports for you after it's done cleaning. Narwal is also ultra quiet. You'll almost forget it's there. With its awesome sweeping, vacuuming, and mopping tech, Narwal will make you wish you'd found it sooner.
The second generation of robotic vacuum cleaners from Miele achieves a first-class cleaning performance. Quattro cleaning power makes the Miele Scout RX2 particularly powerful. The new corner brushes sweep dust reliably below the unit. These fan-shaped side brushes can reach along edges easily and ensure particularly thorough cleaning in corners. When the Scout RX2 encounters an obstacle, the flexible side arms are simply retracted to prevent the unit from getting caught. The specially developed roller brush collects coarse dirt particles and fibers with a combination of dense bristles and rubber lips. Behind the roller brush is another suction area. This narrow opening is in close contact with the floor and picks up even the finest of dirt particles thanks to the high suction power. This high suction power comes from the high speed of the brushless power motor, which is particularly efficient and durable. With Quattro cleaning power, which consists of side brushes, roller brush, suction aperture and motor, the Scout RX2 cleans extremely powerfully. This is supported by the floor covering detection system. The Scout RX2 detects carpets and cleans them with maximum power. With the perfect combination of Quattro cleaning power and floor covering detection, the Scout RX2 achieves a first-class cleaning performance on both hard floors and carpets. The Miele Scout RX2, powerful, intelligent, progressive.
Tired of cleaning the house all the way down? iLife Shinebot can take your turn to do the rest of the work. Add clean water and it's ready to go. Shinebot W400 Tidal Power Cleaning System works in 4 steps. Moisten, scrub, suction, and scrape to thoroughly clean household stains. No matter soda, ketchup, or coffee stains. It tackles thick household stains and builds you a spotless home. And it keeps clear of the areas that you don't want it to clean, leaving a safe space for you. Turn on the edge cleaning mode. Nothing can hide from the edges and corners. Its strong suction ensures to refresh your house when it passes by.
Keeping your home beautifully clean every day is hard but important work. Dust, dirt, and hair build up everywhere. So for cleaner floors throughout your entire home at the push of a button, meet the iRobot Roomba 900 series vacuum cleaning robot. The power to change the way you clean. The Roomba 900 series is your cleaning partner, designed to help you stay ahead of everyday mess. Thanks to its advanced iAdapt 2.0 navigation with visual localization, the Roomba 900 series seamlessly navigates an entire level of your home, moving effortlessly from room to room and from surface to surface, working non-stop, recharging and continuing automatically if necessary until your home is beautifully clean. A full suite of sensors and a visual localization system help the Roomba 900 series map your home as it cleans, so it always knows exactly where it is, where it's been, and where it needs to go next. Unlike other vacuum cleaning robots, the Roomba is designed for real homes, inspired by the experience of over 13 million Roomba owners. Its low-profile design enables it to clean under furniture. A spinning side brush gently sweeps wall edges and corners. It expertly avoids stairs, deals with clutter, and hunts down dirt and dust wherever it hides, before performing a final edge clean for the perfect finish. Beneath its calm exterior, the Roomba 900 series cleaning system is hard at work. It automatically increases power on carpets and rugs, delivering up to 10 times the air power for an even deeper clean. The AeroForce 3-stage cleaning system balances the 3 components of effective vacuuming: agitation, brushing, and suction. And thanks to the new iRobot Home app, your powerful cleaning partner is always ready to go. You can start, schedule, and monitor the Roomba 900 series from just about anywhere, at any time. In short, the Roomba takes care of all the hard work on the floor, leaving you free to take care of the other things life sends your way. Cleaner floors throughout your entire home, all at the push of a button. The Roomba 900 series, the power to change the way you clean.